Now, Channel 3 early warning weather with meteorologist Mark Dixon.
All right, we're now 3 weeks into the month of August, and the average high temperature for the 21st day of the month is 82 degrees. And here in the noon hour, we're within a couple degrees of that, upper 70s and low 80s inland, and as well from 75 to 80 currently along the Connecticut shoreline. And yesterday we had very dry air in place with dew point values in the 40s and 50s. Those values are now moving in the upward direction, a trend that will continue as we head Saturday into Sunday. So it is going to get more noticeably humid as we head through the weekend. But right now, not bad. Low to mid 60s inland and mid and upper 60s currently along the shoreline with those dew point values. So our ICAM view from Hartford showing some scattered mid and high level clouds. Also plenty of patches of blue out there. 83 in Hartford, 78 currently in Waterbury. Kind of a similar scene there with those scattered high clouds, and as well with our ICAM view from New Haven overlooking the green there in the Elm City, and as well into southeastern Connecticut. So temperatures this afternoon likely topping out in the mid and upper 80s inland and between 80 and 85 along the Connecticut coastline. And the tropics we're tracking a lot right now. We've got tropical depression number 14 in the Western Caribbean, 13 heading toward, or I should say that's been updated, that is now Laura. And then off the coast of Africa is where we have another tropical wave. So here is formerly 14, now Laura, that this is making its way, or 13 I should say. It's making its way now a little bit farther south as a shift here on the track. So at one point it was going to pass to the north of Puerto Rico, Haiti, and the Dominican Republic. Those land masses, those islands may be a little bit more targeted by this storm as it works its way toward the west and northwest. Eventually, as we head Sunday night into early Monday of next week, getting close to the southern tip of Florida, and then the storm is forecast to move into the eastern Gulf of Mexico, and then could eventually strengthen to Category 1 strength as it hurricane strength as it makes its way toward the Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, and Florida coasts. So something to watch very closely there. And then here is Tropical Depression 14. This is forecast to strengthen further and also become a tropical storm as we head through the weekend, getting very close to the tip of the Yucatan Peninsula, and then also could strengthen to a hurricane as it makes its way toward the Texas and Louisiana Gulf Coast states. So as we look at both of these combined, here is the very latest. Within a 24-hour period, these storms could be making U.S. landfalls from early Tuesday morning for Tropical Depression number 14 to perhaps early Wednesday morning for Tropical Storm Laura. So that is what we're currently watching. And again, beyond Laura, our next name on the list as 14 strengthens will take on the name Marco. So back here in Connecticut, things are pretty quiet. Any rain today stays to our north. The really muggy air so far has been suppressed to our south, but that's going to be heading back in our direction as high pressure moves offshore with a warm front heading back into southern New England over the weekend. So and again, showers to our north die out by the time they reach us today. And then tomorrow we're looking for a partly to mostly sunny sky during the afternoon tomorrow, maybe an isolated shower or storm. Then on Sunday, perhaps a better chance for a shower or storm, but not a washout by any means. Morning low temperatures mid and upper 60s, 90 or better for both weekend days inland. The humidity is going to make it feel more oppressive. And then early next week, looking for still a continued chance for some rain and storms Monday to Tuesday, briefly cooler Wednesday before a return of heat and humidity by Thursday. Shoreline highs this weekend, mid 80s for both days.